Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you on how to create a WordPress backup through Cpanel. So let's get started. Well, the very first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Cpanel using the provided username and password. You'll then navigate into the Tools section and scroll all the way to where we have Scripts. On the Scripts area, we have WordPress. I'll click on that command to confirm, and an intro WordPress window will pop up. On this section, I'd like you to focus on the tools at the very top section. The tools include going back to the control panel, WordPress Manager, Script Demos, Script Rating, All Installation, Task List, Edit Setting, Backups and Restore. We have email setting, and not to forget importing installation, and in case you have any question. The simplest approach that I will use here is to navigate into all installation option to see what WordPress site I would like to back up. I'll click on the all installation command and I'll be shown all the WordPress sites that I have. I'll navigate into the WordPress site of my choice from the many that I have in here, and on the right option we have some tools that are very useful. The first option is managing your installation with WordPress Manager. The second option is creating a staging site. The third option is cloning your website, and then the backup option is right here. I will click on the backup option. On the backup window, I have the ability to choose whether I want to back up the directory by selecting the check mark. By selecting the check mark option, I also have the option of selecting or backing up my database, and I can click on this check note. I can add a note and select a different location. If you click on the drop down, I have the local folder option, and I also have the default. I always recommend the default because you can still get it in your file manager. So if I scroll down, I will get all the information of my backup, what I'm backing up, the path where the files will be stored, and the URL that you're trying to back up, the database username and the database user that we are backing up. Once everything looks correct in this summary, you'll click on Backup Installation. Once the backup is complete, I'll navigate into my backups area where I had stored. And this is not standard. You can click on any location where you had stored your backup. For my case, it's on the backup section, and I'll have my backup file here for use or for saving. Well, thank you for following up on this video, and I'll see you in the next nugget.